Boss, ask ko lang, paano po ba ang proper na pakikipag-usap sa babae kung mahina naman ang sense of humor mo? Yung tipong hindi ka nawawala ng bala sa mga tanong. At ano ang mga pwedeng itopic mo to get to know her, lalo na kung first date? Well, kung mahina ka sa humor, sigarilyo, I suggest you work on that. Kasi humor talaga is one of the best ways for women to be in a positive state. And they will feel na you're just fun to be around. Pero on the other hand though, if the woman finds you very attractive, and I guarantee you this, tatawa yan sila masking super corny ng jokes mo. Promise yan. Minsan pa nga, hindi pa tapos yung joke mo, tumatawa na sila. Oo, totoo yan. And that is one of the strongest signs na women are attracted to you, na tumatawa sila masking corny yung jokes mo. Now, I want you to take note, no, mga sigarilyo, na during on your date, na it's always best for the women to talk 80 to 90% of the time. Kasi by nature talaga, ang mga babae talaga ang mas masalita compared sa mga lalaki. Statistics show kasi na women speak 20,000 words a day. Pero sa mga lalaki, it's like 7,000 words a day lang. And that way, if you keep the woman talking like 80 to 90% of the time, you remain mysterious in her eyes. And that is a good thing. Kasi if you remain mysterious, mas lalo ka nga habulin ng babae. Kasi they want to uncover who you really are. And that piques their interest towards you. Isa pang masasuggest ko sa inyo mga sigarilyo na magandang pag-usapan during your first date is keep asking them questions that will elicit a positive reaction out of her. Now, what do I mean by this? Simply po, tanungin mo sila ng mga questions like, what is the happiest moment in your life so far? What is your greatest achievement? What is your favorite memory? What's the funniest movie you've ever seen? Katulad ng mga ganyang questions. Kasi these questions will elicit a positive reaction out of them and will make them feel happy. Now, if the girl feels happy when you're around, then they will associate you with them feeling happy. Ngayon, when this happens, the woman that you are dating will want to keep you around. Bakit? Kasi na-associate ka na niya sa feeling good eh. And that will make her feel secure and safe. Ngayon, on the other hand though, kung puro negative talk lang yung pinag-uusapan nyo during your first day, like, kailan kayo nag-break up ng jowa mo? What's the worst thing that happened to you? O di kaya ikwento mo lahat ng mga hassleness mo sa buhay, no, during your date. Kunyari, hate na hate mo yung trabaho mo, gusto mo na mag-resign, ayaw mo sa boss mo, tapos ikukwento mo sa kanya yung mga worst scenarios mo with your exes. Bro, wala talaga mangyayari sa date nyo yan. 9 times out of 10, hindi na talaga papayag yan sa second date. Bakit? Kasi she will see you as a downer na. Negative vibes ka kasama. And romantic dates are not supposed to be like that. Romantic dates are supposed to be fun, you know, hanging out and then hooking up. Kaya next time you're in a date, sigarilyo, be mindful of what conversation that you're putting on the table. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo, and if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.